Hello everyone, welcome to Tohi Tech. In today's tutorial video guys, I'm going to show you how you can able to format SD card or memory card in Sony A7 IV DSLR camera. So in Sony A7 IV camera, after updating the newer version 5.01, you cannot able to format the SD card inside the menu. There's no such option to format the full memory card in there. So I'm going to show you how you can format SD card in your DSLR camera, a Sony A7 IV. This camera take two memory card on same time. Let me show you first of all. So in the slot 1 I have Kingston 256 gigabyte memory card inside the slot 1, and inside the slot 2 I have SanDisk Extreme Pro 128 gigabyte. So this camera only give you the option when you are putting the new SD card which is needed to be formatted. So today I'm going to show you how you can able to format your SD card inside the camera. So what you have to do is press the menu button on the top and the bin button together for a few seconds. Which memory card you like to format, just like that one. In my case, in this demonstration I would like to format the slot 1. So it will says you can execute. As you can see on the screen, it says perform quick format, all data will be deleted. Is that okay to do so? So I will be selecting that option and it will format the memory card inside the camera. And this is the normal quick version. If you would like to recover some of the photo files which you do not want to be permanently deleted, you can recover this one with the recovery software from the SD card. But if you like to permanently destroy the data from the memory card, so there's another method in that one. So press the menu button and the recycle bin button one more time and keep it hold for a few seconds, and we'll come up to the same menu again. This time I would like to select the slot 2 just for the demonstration. Now as you can see, it says quick perform format, all data will be deleted. If you want to execute, just format. But I will press bin button one more time and now it will select full format. Just pressing the one time the bin button, it will come up to this option in there, perform full format optimize by executing the full format, but it will take a longer time. So in this case the memory card will take a little bit longer, depend on the size of the memory card. So this one is 128 gigabyte one, so I will perform that one. So for me, I think is took roughly around about the similar time. It's not, this one not take too much long if you perform the full format in that one. So this is how you can format your SD card, a memory card inside the Sony A7 IV camera. I show you both way. You can do the quick format and you can do the full format on either of the camera, just selecting the menu and the bin button for a few seconds and coming up to this menu, and you can select which memory card would like to format, and you can just execute and format the SD card inside the camera. So if you like my video of showing you guys how you can format your memory card in Sony A7 IV, please leave a like. Thank you very much for watching my video. I will see you in next one.